Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and build a marketing automation flow in Odoo. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get right into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Odoo website if you have not already. So go right here to odoo.com if you haven't and open it up. And the first thing you're going to do is go ahead and sign up for an account. So if you do not already have one, just go ahead and create an account. If you have one, go ahead and log in right here in the upper right corner. And this is going to enable you to access the main page of your website right here, from where we can access our configuration, our site settings, and so on. So let's go and take a look at how to build automated flows and emails in Odoo. So here we have a step-by-step on the dudex.net forum on how to go ahead and get started with setting this up and set up an automated marketing flow. So what you can do is find similar threads right here on Google and then taking a look at what the steps are. So you're going to see what you need to go ahead and prepare to be able to use the automated flows and how you can go ahead and get started with setting up your campaigns. It's all detailed right here, and what you're going to see is also Odoo has its documentations page where you can get started with accessing every tutorial you need. So you can go to the configuration tab right here, go into settings and get started with accessing all your Odoo settings and site management options. As you can see, also have site right here for the menu editor and homepage to get started following this tutorial. So go ahead and get to it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.